We all have rainy days. We all have rainy days. You know, it's life. And, we all have rainy days. And I just want you guys to know you guys are special. Deep in my heart, I love you guys forever. We all have rainy days, it's okay. Smile at one day because you really miss somebody that you can't get over. You overthink about whole all the fucking time. I feel like you do the 9 to 5. I was sick doing the race like 10K, but I can't see you blowing off like fucking smoke. Chop at your head anyways, I love you, but I can't get rid of you, so I gotta kill you. I gotta kill your mom too, and your dad, to get rid of my pain. Everyone look like Kurt Cobain. I ain't really care, look like rainy days. It's rainy days, rainy days, rainy days. We all have rainy days. We all have rainy days, yeah. We all have rainy days that I need to get forward to. Get it through your fucking skull before you get your shit smashed in. I ain't really care what happening. All y'all niggas do is bitch and complain. I really love you, but I gotta get rid of. I need to get rid of this memory in my head. All these niggas look like breadwinners. I don't care about money or hoes. Hit the nigga up like duffel bag. Fuck the duffel. Fuck the duffel bag, I don't need it. Fuck the money, I don't need it. You can keep it cause you a broke bitch. Want you to leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone. We all have rainy days anyway, so I want you to leave me alone, but you always in my head, thinking about life anyways. I wanna spend it with you. I wanna spend it with you. I wanna spend it with you, baby. I wanna spend the war with you. Chopper look like a god to you. I'm a god to you. I really wanna spend the war with you. Hey, my way or the highway. I wanna spend a life with you. We all have rainy days at some point in time.